my channel. It's your girl Ajane, and in today's video I'm doing another clothing haul. This time we're working with WHOLESALE7. I know my last video had the same outfit on, but y'all, okay, I'm a college student. I don't have a lot of free time, so we're just gonna do it. So don't mind me recording 2 videos in one day. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, my name is Zan, and I just be posting videos from time to time. You know, we be chilling over here. There's no rush, there's no, you know, we just be chilling. So join the family and let's get started. Hit that subscribe button right now if you're new, and leave a like if you're super excited to see what I got. Okay, so this is my first time working with WHOLESALE7, so hopefully it's good. So for some reason, this is this little box, but it was filled with stuff. So let's start with these shoes right here. I got them in a 39. I hope this fits. I think I'm 39. I'm a 7.5 in women. So here's what the shoes look like. With just these, they feel really nice. So these are meant to be outside shoes. They had this, so they're meant for outside. So I'm just going ahead. I got my socks on, so like, I know it's gonna look crazy, but they fit, guys. My foot's probably a little big, but they fit. So I am a size 39. So they're really soft, cute. Next item. So I don't remember what this is. Oh, it's a dress, guys. So it's just this dress. I'll talk about it more when I try it on. This feel like it's gonna be itchy. The thing I got is a size small. Y'all know I say it every time. I am 5'4". I weigh 115 and my waist is a size 26. So I am a small in pretty much everything. I do tend to get an extra small sometimes because I want stuff to be fitted. But yeah, I think everything in this haul is gonna be a size small. Next up we have these jeans. Y'all know I'd be scared to order jeans because the material and like they're just gonna be fitting. So hopefully these fit, because if they don't fit, I just can't buy jeans no more. Oh, so these jeans have cutouts. They are pretty thin, so I don't know how it's gonna be with winter coming up, but we gonna find out. I'm gonna find something to pair this with. I'm gonna try them on as pairs. So let me find this a match. Oh, never mind. This is a bodysuit, guys. So this is a like full cat suit. The material looks really good, so hopefully this fits me well. I don't even remember how many clothing items I got. You know what? I'm just gonna do them separately. Okay, so here is this top. I've been seeing this top everywhere and I've been trying to get a hold of one. Hopefully this fits me right, because I've been wanting to get one of these tops. I actually asked my friend a long time ago, how would this top look on me? And they said it'll look straight, and hopefully they're right. Hopefully it looks straight and it fits nice. So yeah, I'm super excited about this top. This feels like really good quality. This feels really good quality. So I have high hopes for this one, guys. I have high hopes. We got us a nice beaded headband. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. We're wearing her. Okay. This is the coldest water. Taking a little break to breathe. Okay. If you guys are interested in getting a water bottle, just like me, check out the Coldest Water Company. I have my, and use my code Ajane off on your purchase. Get one just like me. Get this cup right here and get it in flamingo pink so we can be cup sisters or brothers, whoever's watching this video. There's also kind enough to put my YouTube channel on this bottle. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I've never had that like done for me before. So thank you, Coldest Water, and make sure you guys go ahead and check them out, okay? I think this next item is a dress. My mom, if you're watching this, I just really just be ordering stuff just to order it. This is gonna be a mini dress. This would probably be good for like Halloween. Once again, good quality. It's a really sturdy. I don't think they'll pop off anytime soon. So, mini dress right here. I low-key been obsessed with those prints. This is what this top looks like. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit big, but we'll just find out. It has like the creasing for the boobs. Hopefully it fits. Material is not too bad. It's a little thin, but you know, just have to wait for a hot day, I guess. Oh, you guys, I finally got one of those little tops that everybody been wearing. Yeah, but see how small this looks? You see how small this looks? It might fit. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But I finally got one of those little tops. Clothing item, I think is just the sweatshirt, or it might be the sweatshirt and the sweatpants. Let's find out. Uh-oh. Okay, so you see the sweatshirt, it ties up together, so I'm gonna have to string that together. And it also comes with these sweatpants. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay guys, so it's actually one more top I forgot to do. Oh, okay, it's pretty. Oh, it's like a silky top. Oh, it's so cute. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, y'all. Let's just see how it looks when I try everything up. Let's just see. Okay, so here is this dress. I don't hate it, but I don't absolutely love it. I don't know what I would do with this. The sleeves are a little itchy, like I suspected, and the glitter is literally falling everywhere. So here's the front, and here is the back. Don't know where exactly I would wear this dress to. I just, you know, was trying to explore my options and see what they had available. So yeah, this is how this dress looks on me. 10 out of 10, no. I think I would give this dress like a 5 out of 10. I'll give it a half score because it does look like the picture. But the arms are itchy and it's not thick at all. You can see my white bra. I have on black underwear, so I don't know if yeah, you probably can. I don't know if it's my underwear or not, but yeah, this is how this dress fits. Okay, I'm talking kind of fast because my phone's on 10%, but this dress is actually very comfortable, but it is pretty tight, like my legs are gelled together. I like it though. I like this dress. Yeah, it's pretty tight. I'm gonna give this dress an 8 out of 10 because it looks like the picture. It's really good quality. It's just really tight. I don't even know if I would actually wear this dress. I don't really wear animal print. Even though I've been ordering a lot of animal print, I don't know why. I guess I subconsciously want to wear more animal print, but this is how this one looks. It's cool. I don't know. Yeah. So I had really high hopes for this item, but it's just not for me. You know, it's always that one bad apple in the bunch. So I'm gonna rate this like a 7. No, that's too high. Like a 6, because the bottoms fit. Like, see, it literally fit everywhere. It fits at freaking everywhere. Like the top fits everywhere, and then boobs. Boobs, like they just said where they at though. Okay, guys, so this top fits. It fits. I would definitely see myself wearing it. Oh, I missed the button. Sorry. I definitely see myself wearing this top because the top does fit. These pants, no, they honestly forgot to cut the button out, so I can't even button these up to give you guys a full view. I'm gonna have to move this back so you guys can see the pants fully. The pants aren't that bad. They're just not the best quality. So yeah, I just strongly suggest if you guys are ordering pants, order pants from like websites that are known for jeans. These kind of websites are good with like dresses and tops, but they don't have the material for good jeans. Like, these are super thin, and I wish I could button them because they're honestly not that bad. The jeans are not that bad. They're just super thin. But I love the top. Top is gonna get a 10 out of 10 for me. Great quality, and it fits really well. I like this top a lot. I can't wait to wear it. These jeans I cannot wear only because the button doesn't button. I guess I could just cut a hole for the button because like it fit, like the pants fit there. It's really thin. Okay, so here is this set. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. It's not bad. It's just the material they chose to use isn't like the best material. But will I wear this? Yes. Looking at it on camera, I'm not really feeling how this is fitting. I did have to lace this up by myself. It took a while to see how long it is, but it's not bad though. Not bad. The material they chose to use though, I don't know. But you guys, they're all tops. I'm gonna put my regular jeans back on to show you guys because you know what happened with the other jeans. Okay, so this top, oh, embarrassing. Okay, so my bra is white, so like ignore this middle area. Okay, so this top, it fits. It's a little tight under my armpits and it has literally no stretch, I guess because it is like a full denim material. I do see myself wearing this top maybe like in the spring, so maybe not like this year, maybe next year I can actually wear this top if I don't grow, because there's like no armpit room. I literally had to pull this out so I could put it on because yeah, it did come already, you know, together. I just had to retie it. But this top, I'm gonna have to give this top like an 8 because it is super tight. But I like it. I really do like this top. I've been wanting to get this top for the longest. And I think it looks like the picture. See, I have 2 more tops to show you guys. I've been seeing tops like this all over the internet, so I wanted to see what the hype was about. I don't think it was this short on the model. It probably was, but I don't think this cut is made for my chest. Maybe this top is good for girls with smaller boobs. My boobs aren't big, but they are a little, you know. Here's this top. Super cute. I don't know if I would wear this out in public, maybe just out like with some sweats chilling at home, but I do like this top. I just don't think this is something I would wear out in public. So don't mind, I actually looped it wrong, so this one does not have a loop. So it's actually supposed to tie up higher. I need to not wear a white bra with any of these tops. So don't mind the loopings. I messed the looping up, but I don't have time to fix it. But this is this top. I actually really love this. This top is super soft. I'm actually gonna consider wearing this for a special occasion because I like this top so much. Here's the back, y'all. I love this color. Do you freaking see this color? I love this top. Oh my gosh. They snapped. They freaking snapped. So that's all the clothing items for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. And follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Your Pink Pillow. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This headband is really like shining on my head. I like it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.